Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to the Handmaidens special edition of something that's not about the Kremlin, something more like ice cream. Well, not even ice cream, snow cream. Today, Mando's going to try and make vanilla ice cream from snow. As you can see, it's still snowing out here. We've got quite a few inches, another nor'easter late in February. So, let's get started. Mando's going to take, not any place you stepped, all clean snow, filling up a half a gallon mason jar with about 6 cups of snow. And all you're going to need here is vanilla, some more sweet condensed cream, and a spoon. So let's see. As Mando packs it in and gets making some. We've never tried this before, so I cannot say how it's going to turn out. Just get it to about the 6-cup line. I think you're there. Are you? Yeah, let's see. Looks good. Yeah, thereabouts. We don't have to be exact. We're making our own stuff. Okay. And then we'll try and pour in. Pour in inside the jar from the one hole. Thank you. Don't worry about it. Leave it. Whoa, there we go. No cats allowed. What are you doing? Go away. Okay, just let that pour in there. Sweet condensed milk. There we go. Okay, and a cat trying to get in on this. Go away, kitty. Yep, we got here first. And no. Okay, and here, let's add some vanilla. That's all right. Leave that. Add some vanilla. This would be a nice treat if you had, you had some things in your cupboard, but you want to have some ice cream and you didn't have a way to go. Whoops, did you drop it? Here, let me open it for you. Yeah, here, keep that kitty away. There we go. We got our 6 cups of snow, a can of condensed milk, and we're going to add in real vanilla. All right, that's good. And take a spoon and stir it up. How's it mixing? Good? Let's take a look what we got going on in there. It looks good. Okay. All right, let's stop for a second. Take a look. What do we got? I think it's time for a taste test. Okay, and let's see. Go ahead, give it a shot. Let's see what we got. Does it taste like vanilla ice cream?
Yeah.
It does? Is it good?
I mean, it still ain't like no.
It's snow cream. It's better than ice cream? Okay, you did it. That's simple. Mix some snow, some vanilla, and some... And he's going in for more. I was going to have some, thanks for double dipping. Okay. Well, maybe I'll have to get a jar and make my own. Somewhere the cat doesn't want to be. That sounds great. Thank you for joining us for this little midwinter break here in snow country. All right, take care, everyone. Until next time. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos on doing everything we've never even done before. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.